Hello. So we're going to have some discussion questions based on that last video that we just posted. And what I hope that you can do with these questions is basically a number of things. You can either go through them yourself, you can write them down in a journal and leave yourself space to answer them below. You can use that then as during your prayer time to be able to talk to God about these questions and these concerns. You can also meet together as a smaller group. You can do that actually in person if your parents are okay with it. Or you can do that several ways with FaceTime and video conferencing, things like that. So I'm just going to go through them real fast. You can pause the video and write them down, and we'll have them up on the screen so that you can make sure that you get all of it. No worries on that. So the first question, based on that message is, what's the difference between forgiving and forgetting? Or is there? And how can forgiveness be possible even when forgetting is not? The second one is, think of a time when you wished someone would forgive you. And the third is, when it comes to forgiveness, why is it helpful to remember the things that you've been forgiven? And then I think one of the most important questions that we can ask ourselves during while we're talking about forgiveness is, why is it hard to forgive when someone hurt us? I think another big thing to ask yourself too is what are some of the signals that you haven't truly forgiven someone when you've told yourself that you have? And then the last question that I want to ask is, what is what Jesus did on the cross for you? What does that do to the way that you forgive others? How does that affect the way that you forgive others, and how forgiveness plays itself out in your daily life? As followers of Jesus, we have this great opportunity, as I said, to forgive others. We've been given the opportunity because we know true forgiveness and we know what it looks like to be forgiven. So go through these questions, think about it, and see how you can apply forgiveness to your day-to-day life. And we'll see you later.